Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, you did know say God Holy Spirit give all our gift. But I know the same gift we give you, he give me, him decide what gift him go give to which somebody. So tell me something now. Which gift he give you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthians, them, chapter 12, from verse 1 to verse 11. Now, brother and sister, I want to understand everything about the gift them where the Holy Spirit give. You know say before you start believe in a God, something did drown away and make you follow all kind of false God. We couldn't even talk. So, I want to understand. Say nobody we have God's Spirit to lead them can say that God judged Jesus and say him for dead. And somebody can only say Jesus a Lord if they have the Holy Spirit I live in them. Enough difference in the Holy Spirit make we can do. But if a member say the same Spirit, make we can do all of them. And we have enough different way to serve the Lord, but at the same Lord, the whole of we are serve. When we are serve God, every one of we have the power to do something, but at the same God, give the whole of we the power to do it. God give everybody something to show say the Holy Spirit real, and him do that for our own good and for the good of everybody. God's Spirit makes some people can talk things were wise, and other people, God's Spirit make them say things were full of power God want people to know. God's Spirit makes some people can believe in a God enough. And other people, the Spirit give them the power to make sick people get better. Some people, God's Spirit make them can work miracle. One another set of people, the Spirit make them can preach God's message. Other people, the Spirit give them the power to know if a God's Spirit make some people can do certain things, or if a some other spirits I make them do it. The Spirit make some people can talk in a tongues, and at the same Spirit cause other people to understand them. The power for do all of them sitting there come from the same Spirit, and in give a power there to anybody in want give to. God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.